Welcome to Daxue Talks, a show powered by Daxue Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010. With Daxue Talks, you will stay up to date with all the latest business updates in China. Every day, you will learn from China-based experts who share their knowledge about the Chinese market in 2 to 5 minutes.
Hello, my name is Jasper Zhang, and I'm the HR Director at PTL Group. PTL Group provides international companies with operational and managerial support through the various stages of their China market entry and growth. The group's wide range of professional services include financial services, HR management, logistics, and supply chain. In the past 20 years, PTL Group has facilitated over 300 market entry projects for the international companies into China.
What is China's major employee tax guidelines in 2021?
China nationals pay IIT and Social Benefits every month. The employer is obligated to pay their part in the employee social benefits too. The ratio for each city is different. Taking Shanghai as an example, is 10.5% paid by the employee and about 27.26% is paid by the employer as social benefits. The social benefits, excluding housing fund, cover like pension, medical insurance, unemployment insurance, work-related injury. On top of that, there is the individual income tax, we named as IIT, which is paid every month and according to the tax level of the salary. The new tax rule that was introduced in 2019 will continue, and IIT is calculated based on accumulated monthly income year to date, instead of by month as before. But the yearly bonus tax rule and the tax exemption rule for foreigners will be cancelled per government information and changed starting January 2022.
We interrupt this show to bring you breaking news of more awesome China business tips. You can find these tips on our other China business channels. Follow our official WeChat account, Daxue Insights, for weekly updates on the business landscape in China.
What might affect your employees' salary and social benefits in 2022?
One of the key things to understand about Chinese law and regulations is that they are always moving and changing. The central government keeps adapting HR and even salary regulations to keep up with the rapid growth and changes in the country. So, the business situation could affect your employee's salary, and you should always anticipate some adjustments of social benefits top limit. Our general advice to have a trusted HR management agent to keep up to date with the new regulations and changes.
What is a Hukou?
Hukou is basically a local residence permit given by the government of China to the citizens. It's issued on family basis. Every family has a Hukou booklet that records information about the family members, including name, birth date, relationship with each other, marriage status and with whom and if married, address, and your employer. Every citizen has a Hukou in China.
How does a Hukou affect your employees in China?
Every city and province have different benefits and requirements that its local Hukou holders can enjoy or are applied to. Since only the people with local Hukou can get local citizen treatment and enjoy benefits, such as purchasing an apartment, the city's corporate, children education, and other social benefits. People care a lot about their Hukou. Once starting employment with a company in another city, then their Hukou employees will ask if they can get local Hukou or local residence certificate from the company, which gives similar benefits as local citizens. For example, hospitals and schools are considered to be in high level in the big cities, such as Shanghai and Beijing, but only Shanghai or Beijing Hukou holders can enjoy them freely. Others might bear payments and sending your children to a local school without having the local Hukou or local residence certificate is almost impossible. You can imagine when a company based in Beijing is hiring someone from another province, this employee would want to enjoy the benefits of Beijing Hukou. In this case, unfortunately, it's almost impossible to help the employee to change the Hukou registration. This affects also your accounting team, who must be aware of the special conditions.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.